Been a while since we made one of these, huh? Hello, Chef Daniel viewers. I'm very pleased to say that we have reached a remarkable statistic. I'm referring to two things. The first of all is that I'm almost at 100 subscribers, 3 more to go as of the filming of this video. The second is that I have officially reached my 2nd year on YouTube. I joined on December 11th, 2020, and as of the posting of this video, it's December 11th, 2022. So you may have remembered, if you're a long-term subscriber, my 2-month retrospective that I did because I didn't post a video on Family Day long weekend. And I'm going to do that again, except for this time, I have 24 videos to go over. So here we go. All of my videos ranked from my least favorite to my most favorite. Let's go. At number 24, delicious and simple French toast. At number 23, the best breakfast burrito by Chef Daniel. At number 22, Chef Daniel makes amazing corn muffins. At number 21, quick and easy breakfast sandwich. At number 20, Chef Daniel makes 3 cheese ravioli with butter and sage sauce. At number 19, Chef Daniel's best easy apple pie. At number 16, Chef Daniel's best strawberry yogurt panna cottas. At number 15, Chef Daniel's best chocolate brownies. At number 14, Chef Daniel's best chicken soup with matzo balls made from scratch. At number 13, Chef Daniel's ginger stout cake for St. Patrick's Day. At number 12, Chef Daniel's amazing meatloaf. At number 11, Chef Daniel's best carrot cake cookies. At number 10, the Julieta restaurant review. At number 9, traditional Ukrainian pierogies. At number 8, fruit sorbet in the Thermomix for Christmas. At number 7, Chef Daniel's best cinnamon donut puffs. At number 6, Chef Daniel's best mashed potatoes. Wait a minute, mashed potatoes? Number 6? What are you talking about? Well, it's because the mashed potatoes video was the first one that I shared openly with my class at UCC. You know who you are, and I thank you so much for helping me reach this milestone of 100 subscribers. And also, this is my first video that's reached over 100 views in its first 24 hours of being out published. So it's a big milestone for me, and I'd like to thank everyone who made that happen. Woo! Top 5. At number 5, the best ever beef stroganoff. At number 4, amazing empanadas. Alright, top 3, on the podium. At number 3, amazing honey cake for Rosh Hashanah. At number 2, Chef Daniel's best ice cream pie. And at number 1, my favorite video from 2 years. Drumroll, please. Chef Daniel makes sushi maki rolls with Chef Ian Robinson of Skippa, the best sushi restaurant in Toronto. Short interview included. This video was such a treat to make. Chef Ian was so kind to let me on the show. He has now moved to Japan, and the restaurant Skippa has closed down, but his legacy lives on, and so does his sushi. It was delicious. So I'd like to thank everyone who made the last 2 years such a success. I thank all of you so much. And 100th subscriber, gets a special thank you from me. This is Chef Daniel, signing off. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Thank you for 2 years. Psst, hey you. I'm editing the video.
Hi everyone, so when I filmed that video, I had 97 subscribers, but as of the posting of this video, guess how many I have? 103. Thank you so much everyone for helping me reach this milestone. So stay tuned for my next video. It's gonna be a real hit.